আমরা এখন আছি SM সিসাইড সেবু। এটা একটা শপিং মল। SM অর্থ সুমার্ট। 1960-এর দশকে চায়না থেকে আগত একজন চাইনিজ এই একটা ছোট দোকান দিয়ে এই ব্যবসা প্রথমে শুরু করে। এরপরে এই জুতার দোকান আস্তে আস্তে শপিং মলে পরিণত হয়। এখন সমস্ত ফিলিপিনে 88 SM মল আছে। চায়নাতেও এটার প্রায় 17টার মতো ব্রাঞ্চ আছে। মলগুলোর সাইজ এত বড়, এই মলগুলা ঘোরার জন্য ব্যাটারি চালিত কিছু গাড়ি আছে, এগুলো করে ঘুরতে হয়। এই SM সিসাইড মলটা আপনি যদি ভালো করে দেখতে চান 2-4 দিন সময় লাগবে। 4-5টা ফ্লোর আছে, এক একটা ফ্লোর এত বড়, ফুললি এয়ার কন্ডিশন, হাজার হাজার গাড়ি পার্কিংয়ের ব্যবস্থা আছে। ফিলিপিনে এখন অনেক গরম। এই গরমে এই মলের ভিতরে ঘুরে বেড়ানো খুবই আরামদায়ক। সমস্ত ব্র্যান্ডের দোকান, খাবারের দোকান, ফুড কোর্ট সব কিছুই আছে। যাই হোক, আমাদেরকে হ্যাঁ, উনি ওনার কসমেটিক্সের মার্কেটিং এর জন্য আমাকে কনভিন্স করছে ওনার প্রোডাক্ট বিক্রি করার জন্য। ক্লিনসিং মিল, এটা আমেরিকান কোম্পানি, কিন্তু ওনাদের প্রোডাক্ট বিক্রি করার পদ্ধতি আমার কাছে খুব ভালো লেগেছে। আমাকে এখন দেখাচ্ছে কীভাবে আমার রোদে পোড়া কালো দাগগুলি পরিষ্কার করা যাবে ওনাদের এই প্রোডাক্ট দিয়ে। কিদ্দিমা মার্কেটিংয়ের লোকদের আচার ব্যবহার অনেক ভালো, পদ্ধতি অনেক ভালো লাগছে। এরা আমাকে আস্তে আস্তে ফ্রি ফেসিয়ালের ব্যবস্থা করে দেয়। সঙ্গেই থাকবেন।
For the other side.
It's a bleach?
No, cleanser. Purifiable cleanser, sir. English. Okay. Are you English? Okay. I thought you're a Filipino. Yeah.
Really?
Yes. Our product, sir, is organic only. It's
Organic.
The one that she put on you is yes. Treatment for the lines and also the pigmentation. This one, you have a dark spot, so that cleanser is help also for you, and also the peeling. Can I try your face?
Okay.
And Emery?
No.
Just
Just
verification.
yep.
So this one, sir, you can remove with a cotton with water or wet wipes like this. So this one is the deep clean. You can see also inside. Because I put new treatment for the under eye. Actually, we have cleaning option. We have also a blackhead. So this one, sir, is no clean. And after this, you put facial peel to remove the blackhead.
So how much?
This one, sir, we have a set, sir, for 10,000, and then you have 2 products for the 10,000. But you can use this one, sir, for 10 months. So this one, sir, is for cleaning. It's the first step, sir, for clean. So as you can see, sir, it's lightened compared to other side. But before that, sir, I want you to try for the treatment for the under eye, and then you see the differences, okay? Is it okay with you? You sit down here. I can watch your.
Hi, Siam.
Where are you from, sir? You don't mind. Where are you from?
You guess where I am from?
No, I'm not good in guessing. Yes, because I thought you're a Filipino. That's
No,
why.
I'm not.
You're from Vietnam?
No.
Where are you from?
If you can tell me, then
Oh, wait.
I'll take your treatment. Surely.
No, I'm not really good for that. Sorry.
Okay, I am giving you 3 options. 3.
Yes.
3 times. Okay, try. You say Vietnam. Another one?
It's a Middle East.
No. Next?
Taiwan.
No. Okay, I am giving you 3 more.
Huh?
3 more options. Try.
Malaysia.
No.
United States.
No,
US.
no.
Near it.
Hmm?
I don't know where. Hong Kong. I thought you're a Filipino. So first, sir, before that, I put you the treatments. So as you can see, you have an eye bag, right? So I put the treatment for the under eye, and then after that, you see the result in a minute. Okay?
Okay.
Just look up. Okay, just look up, sir, and just relax. So I'm starting to put the treatment. So this one, sir, is not just only for the eye, but it's only you can use also for the forehead wrinkles and also the lateral. Saan ang quarter niya? Kana o kani ka mo? Make it deliver. Saan ako siya? Saan ang location? Napanakop lang guys. Napanakop lang ko. Bas-bas mo. Pangat ka dito. Kabalo na rin ako. Nangauna ka ma. Baligya. Kabalo na ko. Sa akong lumakuon. Kaya na ako mag-live ka ganina. Open na lagi ko. Ganit. Sales na ka. Wala mo nila i-announce. April na may sa sales. Wow. Ano? Para man di ay na. Tamahan ka na. Ganiha pa din mo. Kapuan mo kapag ikaw. Kadili. So later, sir, you will be feel like your under eye is like stretching or it's tightened. It's normal, sir, ha? Because this one, sir, is like a substitute as a Botox, but the Botox, sir, is injectable, and the Botox is not safe. But this one, sir, is only like a cream, and then you put in the under eye or even your forehead wrinkles or laugh lines, and then after that you see the result. So you just put this one, sir, in a once a week only. So I'm gonna show you the differences here. Just open your eyes. It's down. So here, did you feel like stretching? Like tighten? Yeah, it's normal. Don't touch, don't rub. It's normal. That's why you're gonna use this one for once a week and night time. So as you can see, sir, is no more lines here. And this one, sir, later will be flattened. It will be like that. So it's a once a week once a week treatment for the under eye. I thought, sir, you're a Filipino. Yes. Because you have us, but your mom is a Filipina. Yeah. Okay. That's why he look like Filipino. Yes. So the command is
My
the-
son.
Your son. Only one. It's so hard. We need to be good in English because you take video.
No, it's okay.
Because our English is only limited.
It's okay.
Also here, oh, do vlog.
Are you
By the
enjoying
way,
it?
sis,
Yes. You were hot. You're talking. Oh, no, never mind.
okay, okay,
Ignore
okay.
it.
Okay. Sir, this one, the product that I put in your eye, so it's a 11 years. So it's this one, sir, is 1 year use. Because you're gonna use this one for a once a week only. So this one, sir, is from the US. But in US, sir, this one is $1,300. So it costs of like 72 something, 72,500. But here, sir, you can get this one for 40,000, and then you have a basic product. You have like facial peel and for cleaning, it's for free for this. And made in the US for FDA registered facilities, sir, and dermatologist tested. So this one, sir, is safe. If you are so very sensitive skin, this one is good also because this one is no harmful chemicals to make your skin problem. And we have also treatment.
My son is a chemist.
Huh?
Chemist.
Ah,
Yeah. He graduated in chemistry.
oh, this one.
Yeah.
So, sir,
Suleiman
the one
University.
what do you think, sir? Right or wrong? The way that I'm telling.
I don't know. I wasn't listening. Sorry.
Did you use skincare?
Not really. I don't.
Not
like
really?
Very basic maintenance. I have a like how you call it, facial wash. And that's all I use. So,
Facial wash, but you have no once a week exfoliate? Because sometimes we need to use once a week exfoliate to open the pores to make all the blackheads and all the dirt will go
also
out.
the dead skin cells.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because if our pores is not open, all the dead skin cannot go out. Yes. So we need also once a week exfoliate. So I'm gonna show you, sir, the product for a once a week exfoliate. So this one is the once a week exfoliate. So you can read while we do a treatment for the skin. So this will be is the gel type only. So this one, sir, is that one. So your son, the one who gonna read this one. So this one is for a once a week to remove also, sir, to lighten the pigmentation and also to anti-aging also our product, and also it's organic. It's from the Dead Sea. If you're familiar with the Dead Sea, right, sir, mostly of people go to the Dead Sea to treatment the skin problem. Yes, because that